What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. My name is Jorge, and if you're new to the channel, this is my pro-charged Pontiac. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get this nice cold startup of the pro-charged Pontiac G8. Man, that sounds so good. I love it. It's gonna be a nice ride going out to Tomball. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. That chop. Oh yeah, definitely. This is definitely gonna turn some heads when we get to the meet. That's for sure. Let it get nice and warmed up, and then we'll go ahead and pull it out and be ready to go on the road. So I'll see you guys when we get to the meet. Alright, so before we leave, I had to make sure I put on my stickers, and I've got the G8 with them in red. And obviously you guys, if you don't have me on Instagram or haven't seen me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me at Jorge's Vlog, because I've also got the SS with the stickers as well. So I got both cars, the stickers in white on the SS, and I just put on the stickers on the G8 in red. But anyways, I'll see you guys when we get to that meet. It should be, apparently there's over like 2,000 people that have said they were gonna go. I don't know if there'll be that many, but there's gonna be a lot of people there. So hopefully we get to see some cool cars, and I get to show you guys some awesome content. Alright guys, so we just made it to the night meet, and check this shit out. There's a bunch of cars slowly rolling in. We were able to get a spot here. Got it right on the side. Looks like I might be blocking some people, but they'll figure it out. They can move around. Yeah, looks pretty calm right now. They got a lot of cars and more rolling in, so let's go walk around and see what we can find out. Damn. Gotcha. Color shifting over here. Looks like there's a blower on there. Looks like you put a blower on there. YouTube Big B TV ZL1. Damn. The Lamborghini Urus. Pretty clean, huh? It looks badass, but it reminds me kind of like the Audi Q8. It's like the Q8, but obviously way better. Oh, nice and low and shit. The twin turbo, the V8. And I don't think it has fogs. You know, you notice most of the cars don't have fogs, like the fast ones. Like they don't even put fog lights anymore. Oh, look at that, a Chevy SS. That looks pretty cool. I'm not a big fan of but the camo wrap is pretty cool. These are badass. The Demon and the Trackhawk Contagions. What's going on, Kevin? How's it going? Jorge.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, man.
Glad you made it out, man.
Yeah, it was a nice little drive. How's it running?
That's good. That's good. Everyone's always like, gonna race, and I'm like, dude, it's not that fast. Like, it's not that fast.
Well, I mean,
it's fast for a stock car.
Yeah, we've all seen like the YouTube videos of it on the street. It's not.
It's not like I mean, if you against anything stock, yeah, absolutely. But
you're probably better off in racing in this thing.
Yeah. Well, that at least you do digs.
Yeah. It looks crazy all bagged out. There's a red eye right here.
Oh, you were freaking out? Yeah, I walked in. I said, bro, what the fuck?
This is badass. Could have been Mad Hatter. Nice.
Yeah, that's Bailey's High Performance. Their proprietary build for Hellcats.
Really?
2,000 horsepower.
Holy shit.
That 900 is to the wheel.
Wow.
Well, on the one with my dyno, from literally last Friday's 880.
Wow.
I'll round up.
Yeah. That's at that. Yeah, there's no need to worry about that.
It's a scary drive. Check this out, guys.
Oh shit. Yeah, that looks nice.
So that's a 2.6 pulley.
Yeah.
That's a lot smaller than stock.
Mm-hmm.
That's a piece of killer glass. You can see the coolant.
Oh shit, that's badass. That's cool.
And my cam's done. Both pulleys are swapped. I mean, it lopes too like a real hot rod. Like it really lopes when it's on.
That's awesome. I'm sure this thing is a lot of fun to drive. I'm sure it's a lot of fun to drive. Dude, this is a wide Mustang, dude. That's crazy. This is ridiculous. I don't know how I feel about like that bottom piece, but I mean it is stupid wide. Dude, look at this shit. The license plate is definitely thick. The door is just like sunken in. And I like the black. A lot of people are doing like the black tips. Like, have you seen it? Like the gloss black, like the gloss black for the exhaust. Yeah, and just like that, we got the sheriffs in town. It's not even 9:30, and everyone's already trying to leave. So the cops are gone, but looks like we're probably gonna be rolling out. This meet's kind of already dying out. People are already about to leave, so yeah, I think we're gonna just roll out. Alright, we're here at the next spot, which looks like Target meet, but not that many cars yet. It's supposed to start at about 10:30, but you got a nice little looks like an RX-7. Got people just hanging out. Got the G here. Cops are already here, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. That's as far as you can turn with these.
We're gonna play it.
Man. Nice old school. And you got the wide body Mustang again. Yeah, this one looks pretty clean though, the way they've done it. It's like over the top, but not. But it's not like crazy over the top.
It has two wings.
Yeah. And then we've got a Lady LSX, another SS. Looks like the cop already got the lights on over there. Man, there's a lot of people here. Target in downtown Houston. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Rocket, rocket, rocket. Damn. That's coilovers right there for you. Damn, that's what I'm talking about right there. That's a badass car. Got the 6th gen and then the McLaren 570 Spider. And we got a Lambo. Alright. All the big boys pulling up now. Got the Spider, we got the Gallardo. And then it looks like we got the Super Leggera. Hell yeah. Man, that's a beautiful yellow right there. That's a badass yellow, dude. Seems like the way it's behind and stuff. Man, that's a badass car. Woo! watch out for this, dude. Watch this. Dude, that was weak.
Hey, in there. I like that shit, right?
He's gonna get pulled over.
That's alright, baby.
Get ready to get pulled over, buddy. Woo! Yeah, this is definitely not gonna last too long. Oh yeah. Mustang, don't burn us in front of all these people. Probably not the best thing to do. Watch out. Oh yeah, that's it.
Hey, look at that hole. That hole lie right there. That hole nice.
Yeah. Mustang trying to burn out in front of all these people. Probably not the smartest of ideas. This is fucking Houston for you guys on 2K. Jesus Christ. Look at this. People, we're at a damn Target. Yeah, look at the rows of people here. We're in downtown Houston. It's cold, and what's funny, crazy thing is the cops are over there, literally at the end over there, and they're not doing anything. So, yeah, that's Houston for you. I'm surprised they haven't gotten here yet. Roll tires be like, buy me my tires, bitch. Alright guys, we are back home. We had a great night out there. The G8 made it back in one piece. Granted, we didn't do any kind of racing or anything. I didn't push the car much, but we went to a couple meets, had a great time. If you guys liked what you saw, hit that like button. Comment down below what car did you like the most? What was the craziest moment you liked about this video? Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys on the next one.